Good morning. I know it's dark, but we're actually in the house going to do something rather different and exciting. I've been waiting to do this for a long time. I'm finally going to show how we use our water glassed eggs. You'll remember, maybe you don't remember though, but we did a long time a video about trying water glassing eggs for the first time, and I never made a follow-up video of how it went or how we use them, and for months now we've been using them whenever we don't have enough fresh eggs, and it's so nice. So we're going to show you how we do it today. This is a food grade 5-gallon bucket that we've kind of done it into. The first one we did was in a jar, but it's much easier to do in a bucket because you can fit a lot more in there. But because it's so heavy, we don't want to like lug it up to the kitchen every time we need them, so we just come with a bowl and collect eggs out of the bucket. This is our storage room where we store a lot of our food.
We need 10 eggs this morning.
Wow, this was still when we had chickens that laid white eggs. These are old. I'm not used to seeing white eggs.
Yeah, this
anymore.
is from last spring. Probably late April or maybe May. So it's probably, well, what month is it now? April?
Mm-hmm.
Probably almost a year old.
Wow.
Oh, I'm not counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They say as long as the eggs are submerged completely, they'll keep for a 1.5 or 2 years.
Wow.
And you just want to make sure you wash your hands really well afterwards, because the lime water can kind of dry out your skin. It's not toxic or anything. It just kind of dries out stuff.
Then after you wash them, you just use them like regular.
Mm-hmm.
What's it look like? Ooh, the yolk isn't so
Sometimes
regular.
I find the yolks don't hold together, but sometimes they do.
That's cool.
Like that one. So these eggs are just going to be scrambled anyways, so it doesn't matter. That's the only difference I've found from them, is sometimes the yolks don't hold together.
I guess for a fried egg, that'd kind of be strange.
Yeah. But we had plenty of yolks that, that turned out just fine. So
It just depends on the egg. That's cool. So what do you do with the shells? Anything special? Because they're like lime water shells.
No, just I've done normal stuff with them. They're rinsed. So,
we still feed them to the chickens?
Yeah, we still feed them to the chickens.
Cool. So these eggs are going to be used in a strange pancake recipe. And here are a few of the leftover pancakes we made with the special eggs. I told you they were kind of weird, but they tasted fine. The eggs and then tasted great.